We know what time it is. It's grounding time. There's a red cardinal that you hear him tweet, tweet, tweet. Where are you? I'm looking for him right now. All right, let's get these electrons and all this good energy up in our souls. Let's go, people. Get outside. Oh, yes. You can see it doesn't even have to be the most greenest of grass. Just find some grass. And listen to the sounds of nature. Someone loves you, honey, more than anything in the world. Someone loves you, honey, more than anything in the world. Such a nice background, Mr. Tree. So beautiful. It's like I have two antlers coming out of my head like a deer. That's so